Chair, Ms. Irene Piedad, for her welcoming remarks.
Masayang araw po sa inyong lahat. Thank you for all your presence today. Nakakataba po sa puso to see this kind of support for Pure Gold Cine Panalo. First and foremost, I would like to welcome our full-length directors and student director finalists. Totohanan na po talaga. This is really is it. Ayan, so welcome and so grateful also to Pure Gold Cine Panalo partners, of course, Direk Chris Calilig and Inside 360 family, Republic Creatives, of course, our friends and family din rin from MTRCB, MFP, Gateway Mall and Cinemas, Mall Fund, Terminal 6, Sir Ferdinand Lamos, thank you so much, Direk Emmanuel De La Cruz, and Sir Ricky Lee. So I am really out of words. Kagabi ko pa po iniisip how will I do this welcome speech again, because I am just like a regular marketing person. And ang forte ko po talaga ay habang day. So hindi ko alam ba. So film festivals are really a new thing for me. But siguro I will just share this. Lately, my husband and I have been hooked into watching this new K-drama. And it's called Love Scout. I don't know if you have heard of it. So kwento siya ng isang very driven female CEO of a headhunting firm. Anyway, there was a recent scene kung saan may ka-dinner si female CEO na K-ball, or in our words, or Pinoy lingo, meron siyang ka-dinner na antasyudan o nakakaangat sa lipunan. Okay? And their conversation goes, sabi ni CEO girl, are you still sponsoring college students? Sabi ni CEO girl. And the rich man answered, what's the point of earning money? It's best to share and support it to those who have potential. So, and this struck me so much kasi the female lead was not actually born pala with a silver spoon. She was a beneficiary of a vision and trust, and that gave her yung passion niya sa buhay, kasama na rin yung pagiging driven niya sa karera na pinili niya. And such is also the core and purpose of Pure Gold Cine Panalo, as envisioned by our Pure Gold President, Vincent Ko. He has so much belief in the Filipino talent and culture, pero nakukulangan lang sa oportunidad. Kaya dito po tumataya ang Pure Gold. We are just in our second year, but it feels already like a monumental movement already. So thank you so much for allowing and trusting a simple supermarket to have these dreams and efforts for our local film industry. Please help spread the word that the Pure Gold Cine Panalo Festival is here. We can change the narrative, we can change the supports and alternates, we can make them be the leads, we can change the plot, and we can challenge every ending. So welcome po sa Pure Gold Cine Panalo Film Festival 2025. Always Panalo, hindi ko lang Pilipino, ay masayang araw po sa atin lahat. Thank you.